In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a logo in the Gamma app. This process is straightforward once you know where to find the right options, and I am here to guide you through each step with clarity and detail. To begin, after you've downloaded the Gamma app, you'll be automatically directed to Gamma's main tab. This is your home base within the app, and it's the starting point for customizing your app experience. But our goal today is to personalize your theme by adding your own logo. Start by navigating to the Themes section within the app. You can find this option fairly easily in the main menu. Selecting Themes will open up a series of choices that will allow you to customize how your app looks and feels, which is crucial for branding and personalization. Once you're in the Themes section, you'll see two main options, New and Import Theme. For today's demonstration, we'll be using the Import Theme option. This allows you to bring in themes or designs that you might have previously worked on or created externally. Selecting Import Theme is a great way to efficiently apply complex designs without starting from scratch. Clicking on Import Theme will prompt an option for you to drag a file or click to upload your design. This step is crucial, as you'll need to have your pre-prepared theme ready for upload. After selecting your template file, give it up to a minute to upload and process. Be patient here, as the size of the file might affect the upload time. Now, once your template is fully uploaded, you'll be given an option to upload your logo either from your drive or directly from your device files. Simply browse and select your logo file to integrate it with your chosen theme. Finally, to wrap up the process, click on Save and Finish. This will solidify the changes you've made and ensure that your logo is seamlessly integrated into your chosen theme. Once saved, you can preview your newly customized theme in the app to ensure everything looks just as you intended. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully added a logo to your Gamma app. This not only enhances the visual appeal, but adds a personal touch to your application's interface. Customizing your app's theme with a logo is a great way to reflect your brand's identity or personal aesthetic within the app. I hope you found this guide helpful and feel empowered to continue exploring the customization features in Gamma. If you have any further questions, feel free to check out more tutorials or leave a comment below. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.